Spoilers tease that Steffy Forrester will confront Thomas Forrester in an upcoming episode of The Bold and the Beautiful. Thomas Forrester seems to forget that he is trying to be a better man and change and show his true colors by threatening Liam Spencer. After hearing what Liam said Thomas said to him and how he acted on him, Steffy will confront her brother. Steffy was once married to Liam and obviously still cares about him and really wants him back, so B&B fans can expect this to completely change Steffers Thomas. Steffy seemed to be very good at displaying a calm appearance and controlled composure, but once Liam told her that her brother was not anything near a changed man or even tried to, she can follow the bullet path to his manipulative brother. The reason Thomas had clearly lost it and followed the ballistic path on Liam from the outset was the terrible, unrealistic rules for Hope Logan for Liam and Hope's marriage to each other. Nothing could make Thomas flipping his cork worse than a rule that Hope would even stop being a mother to little son Douglas Forrester as part of stopping all contact with Thomas. It was inevitable if they continued to be his parents little, and Hope would not be pleased with that either, because she and Douglas were very much together and she would not want to break Douglas's heart. The only possible way is that Hope will try to gain legal custody, but she's not a blood relative, and Liam, even though he's a cousin of Douglas's late mother, Caroline Spencer, probably would not consider a relative close enough to gain custody of Douglas or be able to adopt him, although Steffy would, as his aunt. The parents of Thomas and Hope are a big part of his plan to get close to Hope, and he will be much more upset about losing access to her than about being shattered by little Douglas. It's a big deal, and a big deal the reason maybe Steffy should fight for custody of his grandson, who would likely make her not only against Thomas, but have him declare a unreasonable father, but also against their father, Ridge Forrester, who suffers from the snow sun and believes he is making changes for the good. Both Liam and Steffy can see Thomas unchanged, and he's a dangerous cannon gun. Hope's mother, Brooke Logan, has noticed the psychological and personality disorders in Thomas that even his mother, Dr. Taylor Hayes, has never picked up, and she's a psychiatrist. But perhaps Ridge and Taylor were too close to the situation and Thomas himself had to be objective about him, and the problem lay there. Brooke, however, doesn't stick with him like they do, and she can see the truth. Will she and Steffy have a mental encounter and be able to save Thomas from themselves before it's too late?